Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my rendition of the Fall Flowers Tablescape 2020. Now, this Tablescape collaboration is hosted by the Heavens Pearls, and I wanted to tell you who they are. The Heavens Pearls are Tammy, and her channel is the Queen of DIY. There's Liz of Jazzy Green Decor Style. Myself, I'm Candy of DIY Design by CCW. There's Sandra of Levels of Style with Sandra. There's Erica of Love is the Main Key. And we want to welcome our newest member, and that is Debbie, and her channel is Debbie Bubbles. Welcome, Debbie. Now, the reason that we came together is we're a group of like-minded Christian YouTubers, and we want to do all that we do to the glory of God. Our name comes from Matthews 13:45 and 46, and it reads in part, "The kingdom of heaven is like a merchant seeking beautiful pearls." Now, this month and for the next couple of months, we are focused on the fruits of the Holy Spirit. So we're hosting a collab. Each collab each month is going to be based on one of the fruits of the Holy Spirit. Now, there are many, and if you want to read about them, go to Galatians 5:22 through 23. Now, this month, the fruit is gentleness. And we thought, what could represent gentleness more than fall? We think we think of fall as the gentle season, and because it is. It's right after the heat of summer and before the harsh temperatures of winter. And what represents gentleness more than flowers? So we brought them together in a tablescape, and we hope that you enjoy that. And again, I hope that you'll go down and visit all the ladies' channels as well as the link to the playlist. And I'm telling you, you won't regret it. You're going to see some beautiful tablescapes. If you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll see something you like. You'll hit the subscription button and tap the bell at least 2 times. And as I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.